page in Google Docs, so it's really easy. So let's get right into it. Just go ahead and open your browser first, and once you're in your browser, you just need to look at or type in docs.google.com. You can also try your app. So anyway, after you're here, if you want to add a new page, you just need to look at the top where you can see this option that says insert. After you tap here, you have multiple options. You just need to look for break, which is right under page numbers. Just go ahead and hover over it, and right next to it you can find this option that says page break, section break, section break. So you just need to tap on page break if you want to add a new page. So as you can see, you have a different page now. There's also a shortcut method. You can use the command option and tap on enter. If you have Windows, then you can use the alt option and enter. This would automatically add new pages like this. This is how you add new pages in Google Docs. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and I'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.